Hi readers! In our next unit in reading, we are going to be exploring nonfiction. So it's going to be very important that you have several nonfiction texts ready to go in your virtual book bags. Today I'm going to be helping you to explore Sora to look for nonfiction books. When you go to the Sora app or soraapp.com, it'll take you to the home page. From there, you are going to want to click on Explore, so that will allow you to explore the books in the library. At the top, it'll say Harford County Public Schools. If you have connected your Sora account to your Harford County Public Library card, then you will also have the option of exploring Maryland's digital library, so it'll open up a lot more titles for you. And so you can click back and forth, and that'll allow you to kind of go back and forth between the two. Under Harford County Public Schools, what you are going to do is you are going to go down and click Explore. Off to the left-hand side, you can click Preferences, and this is where you can change some of the search options. So if you want to search for everything, or if you just want to see what books are available for you to be reading right now, you could change it to Available Books. You could sort it by popularity, the release date, so books that were more current, author, title. You can change the language, you could change the audience as far as juvenile, young adult, or general adult. And finally, you would click Apply. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to explore, kind of scroll down on the Explore, and you're going to see very popular subjects. So you can kind of look here and kind of see they're going to put popular subjects, but if you want to look at everything, you're going to want to click Explore All Subjects at the bottom. So for nonfiction, there are two types of nonfiction text. There are narrative nonfiction and regular nonfiction. Narrative nonfiction reads like a story, and nonfiction is more of an informational book. You're going to want to make sure that you have at least one actual nonfiction book, and there may be times later on that we'll ask you to get a narrative nonfiction book. So I'm going to kind of look through here. Science is going to have a lot of nonfiction. I'm going to look, and if I keep looking through some of these, I'm going to see technology would have a lot of nonfiction. Sports and recreation would have a lot of nonfiction. Geography. So just look for topics that would be more informational. They even have one, and they're in parentheses where it says like humor. This is nonfiction, picture book nonfiction. So you can actually look for some of the subjects that actually have nonfiction right in it. I'm kind of intrigued by humor nonfiction. I like funny things, so I'm going to click on that one. And then I'm going to kind of just look at some of the titles and see what it is that I like. Since I'm looking at everything, you'll see that all of these say place a hold, so it means that it's not available. If it says borrow, it means that it's available right now. So I really like history, so I know that Big Bad Ironclad, I know that Ironclad is connected to history, so you would want to read a sample. So if you click on it, you can it'll open it up and it'll allow you to see the first couple of pages. It'll allow you to see the cover, and you can kind of look and see that's got a map. I can see the title page. I can read the cover if I wanted to, and I see that this is a graphic novel. So if that's something that you would like to explore, kind of read a little bit, see if that's something for you. And then if you do want to read that, you can click borrow and it'll add it to your collection. So we're going to ask you to look for 3. So again, you're going to want to click on Explore, click on Explore All Subjects, scroll down and find at least 3 nonfiction books that you can have ready to go during our next. If you have connected your Sora app to your library card, then it works exactly the same way. You'll just have more titles available to you. So you can go up to the top and click where it says Harford County Public Schools, and you can change it to Maryland Digital Library, and then it works the same exact way the other ones do. So you would go down to Explore, and again you would click on All Subjects, and you would look for some nonfiction titles. So Let me see what I can find here. I really like sports, so maybe I'm going to click on sports, and then it'll take me to all of the sports nonfiction titles that are currently available. I really like the Muhammad Ali, soccer. I'm really into that, so I would like that. The Who Was books, there's quite a few of them that are available. Just remember that they are narrative nonfiction, so you need to have both regular informational nonfiction as well as narrative nonfiction, and you can kind of explore them that way. Remember, a book is available if it says borrow, if it says add to your list, then or place a hold, then you can place a hold on it, and as soon as that book is available, they will add it to your collection. Okay, readers, I cannot wait to see what books you pick out for our next unit. Happy book shopping!